अभी पीछे से वृषाली आ रही है, मैं उसका रिएक्शन कैप्चर करता हूँ. Let's see. Ma'am, may I come in?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. So here we are at the Impressions Hair Clinic. I came here last time जहाँ पे मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे thoughts थे. I have a bigger forehead, so I am not able to normally comb my hair in a way I want it. And if I don't put wax, I have very silky kind of texture on my hair. तो उससे बहुत वो चपट हो जाते हैं बाल. And मैं बचपन से सोचता था कि what would I do? So जैसे हर डार्क पर्सन के दिमाग में एक थॉट रहता है कि why am I a bit dark? मैं थोड़ा सा इसको करेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. किसी के दांत थोड़े बाहर होते हैं तो उनको करेक्ट करने के लिए ऑप्शन है. सिमिलरली मैंने डिसाइड किया, मेरा एक फ्रेंड है उसने ये सर्जरी किया था, उसका रिजल्ट जो देख के मैंने डिसाइड किया कि इफ आई वांट टू गो and take care of my wider forehead, I will go to the same doctor. Now we are here in the Impressions Clinic to do a blood test. If I'm not wrong, we are also doing a patch test. Why do we need to do a blood test and a patch test?
Hello, this is Dr. Saili Gote. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon practicing in Impressions Clinic in Andheri. Since hair transplant is an elective procedure, we want to check the fitness of that patient for the procedure. It's a grueling 6 to 8 hour procedure.
Okay.
So we want the patient to be fit enough to withstand the procedure and we get the optimum post-operative results.
Okay. The other question is why do we have a patch test then?
We are using different solutions during your procedure. Be it a local anesthetic agent or we are using different instruments. So there should not be any allergic reaction during the procedure. So priorly we do a patch test to check if you have any allergic reactions to any agents we are using.
Let's say for an example, if I decide to go for a surgery now, I am an office working person. I have to report to office daily. So how many days of leave is required in order to take care of this procedure? For an example, if the person is doing work from home, the person does the surgery on Saturday, how would you proceed?
See, if the procedure is done on a Saturday, most of the primary healing will happen day one. But you have to keep the bandages on. That will be gone after the 24 hours.
Okay.
After that, you have to follow the post-operative, whatever is being told to you. You have to apply the ointments, keep it clean, which would do with a normal, any wound on your body. वही है. Abhi, there are two different kinds of patients. Patients who have the liberty to take a holiday or be absentee from work or work from home.
Let's stick to work from home right now. So
So
you're
if we
saying,
stick to work from home, you have to abide by the rules that we give you just because you want the optimum results on after, let's say, a week or a month or 4 months.
he can start working from the next day onwards.
Yes.
Correct? So the second situation is, Saili, wherein the person has to go to work and does not have the liberty of taking an off.
See, the follicles are very delicate and it's a new wound.
Correct.
So, and you have to treat it with little more than care.
Okay.
So, you have to cover up, you have to avoid exposure to sun, very important. And thirdly, you have to keep it clean. So you have to cover up. Fabric should be airy. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि the follicles itself are suffocating because इतना tight बांध के रखा है.
Perfect. Can we wear a cap?
No, not a regular cap. Like a surgeon's cap you can wear, or you can tie like a muslin or a malmal cotton रहता है, thin कपड़ा है. It's airy enough. You don't have to tie it very tightly also. That much is sufficient.
Perfect. Now let's go to the third situation wherein the person is not very comfortable or going into public with that kind of bandana or a surgeon cap. So how many days of leave do you suggest? Let's say we do the surgery on Saturday.
After Saturday 48 hours, we are going to expect all the post-operative things that the patient is going to face, the primary ones. After Saturday, let's say there's a Sunday which you rest. You have to just basic follow-up will be there. Basic post-operative cleaning, applying ointment, medications and all that. At day 4, we'll have the wash. After the wash, your scalp will be completely clean. There won't be any scabs on your scalp. Zero trim, जो आप normally haircut देखते हैं, there are little hair you can see, just like 2-3 mm of hair you can see lengthwise. उतना ही दिखेगा. So it will be as good as a normal haircut. It might be a bold choice, but it's a normal haircut.
Perfect. Many people who would want ask, and they would not have the right person to answer these questions, or the doctor himself is answering the question, so that is really good.
History of hair transplant is such that hair transplant started with something called as follicular unit transplantation. With follicle unit transplantation, it was a strip of basically tissue removed from the back of your scalp. Because the problems that the clinician as well as the patient was facing was something called as fibrosis. Because it was you have to suture after removing that area and you have to transplant it in the front of your wherever there's a hair loss. वो पूरा fibrous हो जाता था. So there was a thick patch post operatively after the entire healing and everything was properly done. कि वहाँ पे पूरा इतना बड़ा scar है. There is a new procedure which came in which was FUE. In FUE, you remove single follicles.
Okay.
If you want me to talk in layman's terms, it's like agriculture.
Okay.
You plant a sapling. वो sapling को आप जो इधर है sapling पीछे है वो आप आगे replant कर रहे हो. So ऐसे बहुत सारे saplings depending on how much the patient requires, depending on what is the gradation of that hairline, accordingly we'll decide what is the procedure to be done. It's a very subjective thing. Depending on patient का age क्या है, उसकी medical history क्या है, requirement क्या है कि hair actually present कितने हैं और कितने लगाने पड़ेंगे, उस हिसाब से we make all those decisions. Recent advance in this field is something called as a sapphire blade. So in sapphire the difference would be the recovery phase kind of reduces. Since the slits are very small, it heals very fast.
Oh, one more question there. If I'm not wrong, the donor area of the person is good. I feel that the density would be better.
Yes.
And at the same time, if you're using the sapphire technique, it will be faster to heal and the density will be better compared to the old techniques that were used, correct?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Saili, for the information that you have given us. I am sure this is very, very helpful, and we will show the procedure also what we do on me. So here I am at the clinic and today is the surgery day. So अभी आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने ये कपड़े चेंज कर लिए हैं. So अब मैं अंदर आ गया हूँ. So पहले हेयरलाइन मार्क होगा और बाद में फिर जीरो ट्रिमिंग होगा.
डॉट्स द फर्स्ट पॉइंट आहे इथून आयब्रो रेज करा बघा लास्ट मसल फोल्ड इथेच होतंय
बरोबर
तर इथून तुमची हेअर स्टार्ट होणार
परफेक्ट
मसल वरती हेअर नाही लागत
ये टिकली क्यों लगा है दाढ़ी मत करना मेरा सो अभी ट्रिम किया है इसलिए आपको समझ में आता रहेगा कि कितना डिस्टेंस है जो कवर करना बाकी है. वो मेरी हेयर स्टाइल की वजह से कभी दिखा नहीं, बट यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ बिग एरिया दैट नीड्स टू बी कवर्ड. So the extraction process is completed right now. You can see. Now we'll start the slitting and the grafting. अभी सर्जरी कंप्लीट हुआ है, ऑलमोस्ट 7:45 हुए. जो प्रोसीजर था वो ऑलमोस्ट 11:45 से स्टार्ट हुआ और इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई और फाइनली एकदम इन डिटेल ये प्रोसीजर कंप्लीट हुआ है. कितना एरिया कवर हुआ है वो आप देख सकते हो. ऐसे दिखने में दिखता नहीं था, बट यू कैन सी दैट जो है ऑलमोस्ट 2 इंचेस हैज़ बीन कवर्ड. सो फाइनली हम लोग का प्रोसीजर कंप्लीट हो गया है. अभी ये रही गाड़ी. अभी हम लोग गाड़ी से पहले वृषाली को पिक करेंगे और फिर घर पे. देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. गाड़ी चला के जा रहा हूँ, मतलब यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना नॉर्मल सिचुएशन है मेरा अभी फ़िलहाल. अभी पीछे से वृषाली आ रही है, मैं उसका रिएक्शन कैप्चर करता हूँ. लेट्स सी. कल होगा सब रिलीज.
पेन झाले की
नहीं
काय पण थोडं तरी
कुछ भी नहीं. अभी वृषाली गई है मेडिसिन लाने. मेडिसिन लाने को मेरे को शर्म आ रही थी ऐसा जाने को, इसलिए मैं उसको भेज दिया. ऑलमोस्ट 24 आवर्स हो गए हैं और ये स्प्रे है जो नॉर्मल सलाइन वाटर है उसको अंदर डाल के मैं ऐसे मार रहा हूँ और ये लगभग 1 घंटे में मारना है ताकि जो इम्प्लांट्स किए हुए हैं वो प्रॉपर रहे। अभी जो 24 आवर्स हो गए हैं तो मुझे ये निकालने बोल दिया है, बहुत डरावना लग रहा है। ओके, तो अभी यहाँ पे क्रीम दिया हुआ है, वो क्रीम लगाना है एंड विद इन 2 days इट विल बी नॉर्मल। आजू बाजू के बाल है वो मर्ज होके नॉर्मल हो जाएंगे। सो ऑल आई वांट टू से इज इन केस इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर hair transplant, you can certainly reach out to the numbers that I've given in the description. So please go ahead and take your decision. It is absolutely painless. थोड़ा बहुत swelling रहता है. They have given medication for it. It doesn't really pain at all. It is a simple process. अगर आप decide करते हो तो let's go for it.